Hi friends, this is Miss Yolande. I hope you enjoy this book, Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Here comes the big rigs rolling down the streets. Thumper, thumper, bumper, bumper, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grum! Goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusher, pusher, smusher, smusher, smash, smash, smash. Little Ease tries lifting some, junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Broom goes the dump truck with a big lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Broomp goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whee goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you are too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries and it is much too tight. But can it be little E fits just right? Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end. Thank you for listening. I hope you were able to point out some of our sight words and you were able to find the words that rhyme. Have a great day, my friends. And remember, it is always a good day to have a good day. Bye.